Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Klarna Pay in 4, a popular payment option that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step, explaining key concepts and providing practical examples and best practices. First, you need to make sure that Klarna Pay in 4 is available as a payment option at the online store you are shopping at. Many online retailers offer Klarna as a payment method, so look for the Klarna logo at checkout. If you are eligible, you will see Klarna Pay in 4 as an option. To use Klarna Pay in 4, start by adding the items you want to purchase to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. Select Klarna Pay in 4 as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Klarna website. You will need to create a Klarna account or log in if you already have one. Once you are logged in, you will see a breakdown of your payment schedule, which will include 4 interest-free installments. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, and the remaining 3 payments will be due every 2 weeks after that. You will also see the total amount you will pay, which will be the same as the purchase price, with no interest or fees. After reviewing the payment schedule, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions and confirm your payment method. Klarna accepts various payment methods, including credit and debit cards. You will need to provide your payment information, which will be used to process the 4 installments. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. Klarna will send you reminders before each payment is due, and you can also track your payments in your Klarna account. If you are having trouble making a payment, you can contact Klarna customer support for assistance. In summary, using Klarna Pay in 4 is a straightforward process that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free installments. By following these steps and making your payments on time, you can enjoy the benefits of Klarna Pay in 4 and manage your finances effectively. Remember to always review the payment schedule and terms and conditions before confirming your purchase. And do not hesitate to reach out to Klarna if you have any questions or concerns.